Guys, welcome to my channel. So first you have to come on this www.gigabyte.com. So guys, you can see here right hand side search button, and after that you enter your model number of your motherboard, then hit enter. Then guys, you can see here, so click on product, then click again on. So guys, this is your motherboard. Okay, and then click on support. So guys, then select your operating system which is you using. Suppose if you are using Windows 10, so you can follow this video and then you can install in Windows 10 drivers, because installations process almost 100% same. Okay, similar. So Windows 11, and then you can see this is audio driver. Just click on that. This is heavy file, you can see here 165 MB. So I already downloaded this one. Just after download, just single click to open, and this is, you can see, exe format extract driver. So you can extract to a specific folder, and otherwise you can install directly. Just double click, and then guys click on yes. This is for permissions. Now this is extracting drivers to your system for installation. So now this is started driver installation. So it will complete, so automatically close it. Then guys, it is done, and close it. Chipset driver, you can see, just click to download here. It will start automatically. So it is done, and just single click open. And uh, then double click, then click to yes. Now this is exiting. Now this is installing, you can see, yes. It is done, and close. The LAN driver extract. Okay, so try to install latest version and first one. Then click downloaded file to open. This is LAN driver and exe file. Click to yes. Now this is extract. Then close it. So VGA driver, and click download. Just click on download. So guys, I already downloaded this drivers. You can see here 770. Just single click to open. This is extracted driver, and you can see. So if you are facing some issues when you installing directly, so extract to specific folder and then try to install. Same method, just double click. Then click to yes. Now this is, you can see this is extract to your system. So wait few seconds. So now this is, you can see this graphic driver is installing. So wait few seconds, it will close, means it is installed. After that restart your system, and so finally it is installed and close.